Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will be reading the book, The Thankful Book by Todd Parr. I will be providing aided language input using the Snap Core First Vocabulary from Toby Dynavox on a word wall poster. Okay, if we look at our front cover, I see a family. I know that I am thankful for my family and everyone that we have. Let's see what they're thankful for. The Thankful Book. Thankful means that you're grateful, you're appreciative for having something in your life. The Thankful Book. We see a big family again. And then a silly little mouse up here. Every day, I try to think about things that I am thankful for. I am thankful for my hair because it makes me unique. So different, special. I am thankful for my ears because they let me hear words like, I love you. I am thankful for my garden because I like to watch things grow. I am thankful for my shadow because it makes me look taller. I am thankful for bubble baths because they keep me squeaky clean. I like bubble baths too. I am thankful for underwear because I like to wear it on my head. That's silly. I am thankful for my friends because they make me smile. I like to have fun with my friends too. I am thankful for my pets because they keep me warm. He likes to sleep with his dog and cat. I am thankful for vacations because I get to see new people and places. I like to go on vacations too. I wonder, where are they going? I am thankful for walks because they are special times for just you and me. They're taking a cold walk outside on the snow. I am thankful for my hands because they help me give special gifts. Oh, flowers. I wonder who he's going to give them to. I am thankful for my feet because they help me run and play. And she's going to use her foot to kick the ball while they're playing soccer. I am thankful for music because it makes me want to dance. Dance party. I am thankful for colors because they make me want to paint. And at Thanksgiving time, we talk a lot about being thankful and grateful for things that we have. We also eat turkey. And look, she's painting a turkey. I am thankful for school because I love to learn new things. I am thankful for the library because it is filled with endless adventures. Because when we read, we go on an adventure every time. It is wonderful. I am thankful for healthy food because it keeps me strong. That's a big carrot. I am thankful for fall because I like to jump in the leaves. That is the best. That is making a big pile of leaves and jumping into it. I am thankful for winter because I like to build snowmen. Just gonna put the carrot in for the nose. I am thankful for hugs because they make me feel good. Make me feel good. I always feel better after a big long hug. I am thankful for kisses because they make me feel loved. Would you want a stinky kiss from a skunk? I am thankful for holidays because they bring my family together. And that's right. That is, we all get together and eat food and talk and laugh, maybe play some games. It's a fun time. There are lots of things to be thankful for. Try to remember some of them every day. The end. Love, Todd. There's the end of our book. Oh, remember? Dance party. I wonder, what are you thankful for? Today, I am thankful that you're watching the video with me and we're sharing this book together. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you liked this book and the reading of it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you turn on the bell down below for alerts on when new videos come along. If you would like to either like it or leave a comment, I would really appreciate it. And if you like this video and would like to see more of where I read and provide aided language input, demonstrate a little bit of shared reading strategies, check out my AAC book reading list. Thanks for watching.